Hi guys!
Hi.
Welcome back. This is our final part of our Moj surprise plushes. We have 2 left. We've gotten them all except Dandelion. That's the last one we're looking for. So cross your fingers that it's in one of these 2. Yep, fingers are crossed. Let's open. Let's open it. Let's see. Are you Dandelion? Nope, you're Cosmo. So Cosmo's a duplicate, but it's so cute. Here's its little card. Let's open the last one. Dandelion.
Okay. Dandelion.
Ah, we got the whole collection. So cute. Oh,
She's eating sparkle cereal.
that is so
I
cute.
want some of that.
Yay! So we got them all. So cute. We got them all now. We're so excited. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.